Hello, everyone. In this video, we will introduce generators. Generators are special Python functions for generating iterators. They're written like regular functions, but use yield method to return data. In the regular function, you use return statement, but now you're going to use this special statement. It's a yield statement. So let's look at this. The previous example in the previous section, and that is the using iterator and to get the Fibonacci numbers. So in that example, so please recall that we have that the next. So remember we have this next method, and we have this iter method. So this is what we have. And the next method returns the current Fibonacci number, and the iter is return the iterator. So now we're going to use generator. So we use generator. It's generator is just like a function, but you're going to use this is yield current. So that's yield a current Fibonacci number, and the main method is the same. So you're going to this one here. You're going to use this the function return this iterator. So this is the iterator, the function, and this you are going to write this the for each loop and to display and all the Fibonacci numbers less than or equal to 10,000. So look, this is the fib function is to get the generator. It uses the yield keyword to return data. So when the function is invoked, so here, Python automatically generates an iterator object with the next and iter methods in there. So it saves you a lot of coding. So using generator and this, you don't have to write the next iter methods, and they automatically provide to you. That is all for this section on generator. See you on the next video.